Hello, I'm Dr. Garj Panagata from Cross Stitch Health.
And hello, I'm Dr. Judy Matthews from the QG Business School.
So we're excited to be facilitating our second workshop on design thinking at the Rehabilitation Medicine Conference in September in Hobart.
So why are we thinking about design thinking? Well, everyone who looks at changing existing situations into a preferred situation is designing, and that of course includes rehab clinicians.
And last year's session, there was a lot of good feedback about brainstorming ideas and how we could keep the patient's experience at the centre of what we want to achieve. The participants really loved working with each other and collaborating for different solutions. And of course, flexing your creative brain is also a lot of fun.
So what does design thinking implementation involve? It includes a user focus, problem framing, visualization, an experimental mindset, and the diversity of thinking and experience.
And while there are some similarities to last year's workshop, this year we've got a lot more time. So we'll be able to dive deeper, and particularly for those of you that manage other people, we'll be able to discuss how we can keep the well-being and the interests of those people that you manage also at the centre of your decision-making for system improvement. We think that some of the really clear big benefits of our workshop is the collaboration that you get to do with other employees. Working with rehabilitation clinicians from other states will really open you up to different possibilities.
We work through a very simple design thinking process, empathising with the stakeholders, particularly the person involved, defining the problem, ideation, having lots of fun, thinking about different ways of generating ideas, rapidly prototyping some solutions in the room and testing them with our colleagues.
So we're really looking forward to working with you in Hobart, and we think that there is great potential to generate some novel and relevant ideas that can carry over into your practice.
See you in Hobart in September.